Look, told you, right back. It's just flying above my house in circles. That airplane been doing that for going on 20 minutes now. You see the angle it's taking, it's turning now. It's gonna come back. Give it a couple seconds. Give it a couple seconds. Very cold, dude. See, it's just circling. I told you, it's always small private planes. You've been circling above my house for over 20 minutes now. You see? Right over my house. It's right above me. It's directly above me. And you can see the angle it's taking. It's doing another turn. It's not flying straight at all. This is aircraft harassment. No telling what type of devices they have on that plane. Infrared, Stingray. You guys gonna see it come right back around. It's been doing that for like 20 minutes. Just flying above me. Hold on, let me hear this noise in the background.
Shit. Hey, man. Oh, man. You ain't finna fire me. What kind of sandwich you want? You need to leave. Because you trying to get that is not me. I ain't never went to sleep at work. Never. When she's up.
And it's on its way back now. This is what I deal with every day. With my Gangstalking, no matter where I go. As you can see, directly above me again. directly above my house. And I told you guys, it's never a commercial plane. It's always small private planes. This is definitely government owned and operated. We all know that. COINTELPRO, the whole file about COINTELPRO spoke on what the FBI was doing to people. We all know. We all know. I'm not even about to get into what we all know. I'm not going to even backtrack on my words and speak on them again. But he's coming back around. It's going on about 30 minutes that they've been doing this. I literally, if I wanted to, I could record them doing this every day. This is what they do every day. Sometimes the helicopters fly so close to the house that they'll shake the foundation of the house. That's all the energy I'm gonna give them. Just wanted y'all to see. Hold on. Oh, here they come for another round. I just want y'all to see how real this is. Come on, so a small private airplane is just up in the sky, right over my house every day, doing circles. Directly over me again. Going for another circle. This is what I go through every day. They done completely fried my phone. They legit fried my phone just now. I can't press anything on my phone. Nothing's registering. Here they come again for another round.